Introducing the Irize Height Adjustable Desk by i5 Industries. Available in silver, black, or white bases, the powerful two-stage motor is ultra-silent to minimize distractions and keep you focused. The sturdy base has a capacity of 220 pounds to ensure your desk carries everything you need. The Irize comes with 3 available work surface sizes and a height range of 27 to 46 inches. The anti-collision safety feature prevents the desk from damaging objects in its path. The smart controller has 3 position presets you can program to fit your needs. Need to charge your device? We've got that covered with a built-in USB port. All Irize laminate desktops are thermally infused, 1 inch thick, and have a 3mm fluted edge. Choose from a wide variety of surface colors such as Samoa Gray, Espresso, Mahogany, Walnut, Black, Gray, and White. We weren't meant to sit all day. Take control of your workspace today with Irize.